In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage labels on your Trello cards. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks and projects, and using labels can really help you keep everything neatly sorted and easy to find. So let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to click on the board where you want to work with your labels. This is your starting point for organizing everything. Choose the board that holds the card you're looking to label. Once you're on the right board, find the card you want to edit. Click on it to open up the card details where you'll be able to add or manage your labels. With the card open, look for the option to edit labels. Click on this to see any existing labels applied to the card and to have the option to add more. Adding new labels is easy. You'll see a plus sign or an option to add another label, so go ahead and click on that. Now, it's time to name your new label. Think of a practical or descriptive name that will make sense every time you see it. Naming your label appropriately helps keep your board intuitive and increases efficiency for you and your team. After naming your label, you'll need to click on the option to create a new label. This confirms your choice and prepares your label for use within the board. Choosing a color for your label is the next step. Trello provides a selection of colors you can choose from, which is really handy for quick visual identification. Pick a color that stands out or simply goes well with your existing schema. Once you've chosen the perfect color, finalize your new label by clicking on the Create option. Your label is now ready to be used on your Trello card, making organization more straightforward. At this point, you might want to set your notifications to watch so you can stay updated with any changes related to this label and the card it's associated with. This is particularly useful for keeping track of progress or when collaborating with others. Adding a description to your label can lend even more clarity. If you need to remind yourself or others about the purpose of this particular label, type a short description in the provided field. This context makes it even easier to understand the role of this label at a glance. If you want to make your label stand out even more, type in a highlight or a few keywords that encapsulate the essence of your label. Once you've completed these inputs, press save to store all your updates. Finally, remember you can always hide or show details. There's flexibility in how much information you want visible at any given time on your Trello card. And that's it. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your labels on Trello and keep your projects seamlessly organized. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing on Trello.